At present, we are living in a computerized world. We use computers for almost every task and do typing on a daily basis. Especially as students, we have to type our essays, assignments, reports, theses, and sometimes lecture notes. Learning the proper technique of typing is important to improve our speed, accuracy, and efficiency. So this is a life skill that can improve our productivity in our everyday life. In this video, I am introducing touch typing. That is the ability to type without looking at the keyboard. By learning this skill, you can focus more on the screen and whatever the task you are doing. To learn this skill, you need a lot of practice to increase the muscle memory. There are several websites to practice typing, and typing.com is considered the best for beginners. To go to the website, type typing.com in a search engine and go to this link. So in this website, you can select the for students option. You can use this website without an account, but to save your progress, you should create an account. So you can create an account for free. You don't need to pay anything. So give a username and a password. You can also connect through Google account if you want, or you can create your account in this way and click on sign up. So I have created the account, and now we can use this website to practice typing. So there are lessons for different levels, for beginners, intermediate, and advanced. If you haven't done typing lessons in the past, I recommend starting as a beginner. So there are several exercises. Let's go into this first exercise. So there is an introductory video which you can watch. I will skip the video. And here the importance of this website is it gives a on-screen keyboard so that you don't have to look at your keyboard. From this point, you have to just follow the instructions given by the website. And to move on to the next step, you can press enter. After each exercise, it gives your speed and also it gives you accuracy. So you can go through these steps, and if you want to go back to the lessons, you can click on this link. At the top of the web page, it gives you overall performance. So in this case, my speed is 32 words per minute and accuracy is 100%. When you want to return into exercise which you have been doing, you can click on this resume button and just follow the instructions. So using this on-screen keyboard layout, it shows us which finger should be used to type a particular key. Press enter and just follow the instructions. And I recommend focusing on your accuracy at this point since we are beginners. So rather than focusing on your speed, focus on your accuracy. Try to maintain your accuracy higher than 95%. So in this case, my accuracy is 94%. I would personally like to redo the exercise. And then we can press enter and go on to the next part. So there are different types of exercises to practice. So this is another type of exercise. So in this kind of exercise, I recommend you to correct any mistakes you do. So if you make any mistake, you can press backspace and correct that mistake and continue. In that way, you get used to the real world typing experience. So likewise, you can complete all these exercises, and by even completing the beginner part, you will see a considerable improvement in your typing skills. Now, the important feature of this website is that it has the ability to identify your problem keys. To show you this feature, I will go into another account. In this account, 66% has been completed, and this website has identified the problem keys. These are the keys which you make mistakes more often. So they have generated exercises to improve your problem keys, and by doing these exercises, you can improve your problem keys and improve your accuracy. Other than these lessons, there are some games. So if you find these lessons boring, you can try some of these games. These games also help you to improve your typing skills. When playing these games, make sure that you follow the fundamentals which you learn through the lessons. And out of this game, this is my favorite game. Also, you can test your typing performance by going into these tests. So there are several tests for example, this is 1 minute test, 3 minute test, 5 minute test, and there are tests based on the page numbers. So by doing these tests, you can have an idea about your typing skill. Under the Games tab, there is a link to a separate website known as Nitro Type. So in typing.com, it is better to focus more on your accuracy. And after you improve your accuracy, you can focus on increasing your speed. This is a very famous website to improve your typing speed. You can create an account if you want. For this moment, I will use the website as a guest. So it gives you a word speed. And by practicing through these games and lessons, you can improve your word speed.